Just got a custom order for a driftwood planter, and I thought I'd show you guys how I make it. So what we're going to do is get a pile of driftwood, a couple big pieces of driftwood, and we'll pick from this big pile here I've collected, and we'll use a brad nailer with probably 1 1/4 inch brads. Alright, so what I'm thinking is we're going to build a little box that we can put succulents in, like a little planter. We need to hold about 8 to 10, maybe 12 succulents. So I found these 2 pieces here, kind of like a more flat piece, and just this piece. And I was thinking we'll start off at the bottom like this, nail it together, and then we'll work our way up, go from there. So far I nailed this together, so it's like a good base, and we'll keep building. I need to find some more pieces to fill in. Just grabbing some random pieces here, see what we can make. Small, big, fat, whatever. I like some smaller stuff. It's all on the bottom, so we'll go digging, show you what I find. Alright, if you don't like puzzles, this isn't for you. So I like to put a couple more pieces maybe over in here, just filling in a little bit. A little bit too long. I like that one there. So this is what I got so far. It's coming together, making a basket. A couple nails are showing, but we'll put some other driftwood on top of that, either hot glued or nailed. And then on the back we'll do some type of hanging device. I think it's going to come together. That would have been a cool bottom piece.
Curved pieces.
So I'm thinking build it more outward like a bowl and then up. So that's where we're going. Little curved pieces. All right.
Take a look how it's looking.
don't be afraid to go get more pieces. Alright, get part way done. Sometimes you gotta step back, take a look how it's looking. So I think I need a couple more little curved pieces over here. Little curved pieces over here. So don't be afraid to go get more pieces. Looking for some little stuff. Probably all down in the bottom. Got some other stuff drying over here. Could probably pick up some small stuff. Might look cool. Little curved pieces, give it some character. Like I said, we might hot glue a little bit of the stuff on the top because the nail gun will blow it apart. But yeah, just get creative.
Alright, so it's looking pretty good.
Sorry, I've been kind of quiet, just concentrating on finding pieces that fit and make it look like a basket. So maybe a little more right in here. Call it good. So far, looking pretty awesome. Perfect. Just glue. Slow set glue, so. Alright, so we need to come up with something right here, and what I've came up with is a few pieces of driftwood, maybe something like this. Don't really like it. Maybe fill up the back with pieces like that. So, alright, let me nail these pieces on and we'll build some more. Alright, let's nail on some pieces to the back, give it some support. Came up with these here. So what we'll do, start with the middle one, get it kind of straight. Alright. Now, I think, let's put a lot of pieces stacked across the back. I'm not sure yet. Let me take a look at it.